Would you agree that if you can reach 10,000 of your target audience instead of a 1,000, you would most likely increase your incoming calls and leads? Let me share with you how you can use the most effective form of no-cost advertising known to man without you spending one single dime on advertising. Red-hot buyers equals more revenue. I have a quiz for you. When is the best time for a business to be found online? Answer: when there is a red-hot buyer ready to avail your services with money in hand. Who is a red-hot buyer? A red-hot buyer is someone who is looking for exactly what you have to offer with money in hand, ready to avail your services, and wants it now. How do you know they're red-hot? They are looking online for what you have to sell them right now. What happens when you show up online at the exact moment they're looking for what you have to offer them? Chatching is what happens when someone searches for your service and you show up. 1. On top. 2. As one of the top 3. And 3. You don't have to pay for advertising to do so. So remember 3 things. You show up the exact moment someone is looking. You show up on top, and you don't pay for advertising. Businesses would kill for this. Most commercial cleaning owners think this is pretty wonderful, especially when they see what this can do for them. We will look at the secret strategies in a second. Would you like to know more?